In this video, let us see how we can calibrate the compass. Compass is used for navigation and it allows the drone to know its heading or direction in space. If the compass has not been calibrated, the GPS will not allow the drone to initiate a mission. And also, if the app shows a compass inconsistent message, then the user can calibrate the compass. Now let's open the app, and after opening the app, we have to tap on the settings button. From there, we have to select the compass option, and now we can swipe the slider to the right to start the calibration. And now we have to start rotating the drone in 360-degree direction. Rotate the four arms of the drone until the app shows 100%. The drone has got two compasses. Both the compass percentage will be shown in the app. Now we also have an option to cancel the calibration. Now we have to keep on rotating the drone until the app shows 100%. Now we have successfully calibrated the compass. Now wait for 90 seconds for the drone to restart. This beep indicates that the drone is restarting.